Hey there, welcome to my review of DualShock Bio Traffic. My name is Liam from liammorgan.pro, and today I'm going to take you guys on the inside of DualShock to show you guys exactly what you guys are going to be getting. I'm going to give you a rundown of the sales page and also going to take you onto my bonus page where I'm going to show you guys exactly what you guys will be getting if you purchase DualShock through my link. Down below in the description, right down there, you're going to see a link to my bonus page. Click on it, have a look at it, check out the bonuses, and click on any one of the yellow buttons which you see there to get your copy. So without any further ado, let's just take a look at the sales page, the bonus page, and inside the members area of DualShock Buy Traffic so you guys can see exactly what you're going to get before you make any purchases.
Okay, so before we check out my insane bonuses, let's just have a look at the sales page. We're gonna have a look at the bonuses, like I promised. We're gonna be having a look inside the members area as well, so you guys can see exactly what you're gonna be getting before making a decision to purchase. So everything's gonna be explained to you guys, so you guys can make the right decision to get the right product to start making money online now. So when we get to the sales page, the headline reads New Idiot Proof Method lets these regular guys add 1394 subscribers, which is 1394 subscribers to the email list and bot list at the same time. So what is DualShock Buyer Traffic? DualShock Buyer Traffic is going to help you guys to build your messenger bot list on Facebook so you can promote offers to whoever subscribes to your bot list as well as build your email list at the same time. So there's no two separate products, just one product. We're just going to show you guys exactly how you can do one thing and build both lists at the same time. So I'm going to run quickly to the sales page because it is there. When you get onto my bonus page, if you guys click on any one of these yellow buttons, it says click here to secure your copyright now. Um, just click on it. It's going to take you through to the sales page where you can purchase your copy and obviously get my bonus, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So you guys can read exactly what we're going to discover inside the product. You're going to see the good things, what I've pulled out of here, that it's newbie friendly. You're going to get step-by-step over-the-shoulder training, and you're not going to be using paid traffic. Everything's organic, and free traffic is going to help you build this bot list and this email list at the same time, so you don't have to spend any money. Who's behind DualShock Buyer Traffic? It's Aidan Corkery and Fergal Downs, two guys which I know that have been making tons of money and create some of the best products, some which I use. Fergal's products I've been using for a while. Aidan, I used one of his previous bot courses, I think it was 3 or 4 months ago, to start building my bot list, and the results are extreme. So you guys can just read exactly what's on the page here. Here's a screenshot of inside Aidan's messenger bot with ManyChat. You can see that's where he speaks of his headline about 1394 people, which he sent to. It delivered to 1,182 people, opened by 722, and 300 people clicked. So, guys, if he just got a 10% buy rate on those clicks, that means he made 30 sales. How cool is that? So you can start building your bot list exactly with and getting driving traffic with as little as 50 people. I mean, look at this screenshot where he sent it to 162 people, opened by 162 people, clicked by 107 people. Those are some results you'd never get with with email marketing, where you do get results, but not such high open rates and click-through rates. And if you got to do that through paid advertising, you're going to be spending tons of money just to get such results. So this is everything here, which is going to be shown to you free. Build your bot list, build your email list, all at the same time, and start making insane amounts of money. So I'm just going to run down to this quickly again. What else caught my eye on this page? Here where they speak about many people are also floating the myth around that email marketing is dead. Email marketing will never be dead. You won't get such high click-through and open rates as with your bot list, but email marketing is there to stay. It's just certain people that spam the system, which cause a lot of people not to open or want to see your offers and things like that there. But you do get your dedicated list, which people want to to follow you, want to buy from you, want to learn from you. So engage with them. It's not all about just promoting. Learn it the correct way, how to build boat here, and start making money with promoting offers to your list and to your bot list. So here's something that I'm okay with. I know you're going to be okay with, and everybody's going to get this. Really wants high targeted engaged bots and email list. We are okay with the idea of never having to spend a dime on traffic or advertising again. And we all love the idea of automated traffic on demand. So as you scroll further down, here's some more proof between the two products which you guys will be getting info on. So DualShock, in other words, it's easy. Inside DualShock, you'll discover a simple, uncomplicated, straightforward, no-brainer way to maximize the power of both email marketing and messenger bots. Set up a whole battle-tested, 100% proven system in an afternoon and immediately start driving more traffic to your offers, get more clicks, and make more sales we both want and deserve. So inside the members area, you're going to be getting a step-by-step video training where they're going to show you exactly over the shoulder how to set this thing up and how to get it working. You're going to get a copy of the quick start cheat sheets, the video training that is spot on and some of the easiest to follow training you're ever going to see. And then you're going to get, I think it's 3 case studies um, from Aidan. So it's one case study, one is campaign instant social profits. Case study number two is campaign for funnelize. And case study number three is campaign for tripwire buyer traffic. These case studies are powerful and you guys are going to learn a lot from it. Um, so let's just check quickly what bonuses they're going to be giving you. Bonus number one, email marketing specialist. It's a unique bonus with $697 where they're going to show you how to reveal the quickest way you can explode your email marketing to get results. Bonus number two is the ultimate bot opt-in pages. If you want to get new subscribers onto your bot list, you need to know what growth tools and what to use. Bonus number three, elite buyer traffic. This is never released before case study. We're going to show you how to find elite buyers. And bonus number four is going to be the Facebook group bot traffic. Over the shoulder training again, it's going to show you how to leverage your Facebook profile and Facebook group, which we're currently using to make money online. So their testimonials, which I liked about this, was the fact that they didn't use gurus showing how much money they're making with the product, but rather the fact that it's newbies that are getting into this stuff and seeing results. So this was a pretty good, bold move which they use here because us as newbies want to see how this is working and how's it going to benefit us. So this is great as well. And then obviously everything else will be up and running as soon as it's ready for purchase. So you can see that you're going to be getting this for the next 30 days without any risk, 100% money back guarantee. I know these guys, no problems. It's not for you. Contact them and they'll give you a refund. So your purchase is 100% safe to the Warrior Plus platform as well, guys. So let's just take a quick look before I'm running out of time. So I'm going to show you guys exactly where to get your bonuses. So if you look down in the description, you're going to find a link to my website. Click on the link in the description. It's going to bring you straight to the DualShock bonus page of mine where you can claim all these bonuses. Click on any one of the yellow buttons to secure your bonuses. And then obviously, I've just put through parts of the sales page for some of my viewers that don't actually like going through the whole sales page. They get enough info from you and there's no need to go through it. Those that don't have or don't have enough info from my bonus page, click on the yellow button, takes you straight to the sales page where we were, and you can read everything that you need to know before making your purchase. So these, as you did see it previously, okay, let's just run through what's inside the funnel. It's the main front end buyer traffic system, training rather, where they're going to show you everything step by step. Then the one-time offer is Toolchuck done for you bundle, guaranteed approval to promote high converting affiliate offers. The one-time offer number two is getting people from Facebook onto your bot list is probably the most challenging thing you will encounter when you begin to grow your bot list. With this, they're going to show you exactly how to do it and how easy it is and how easy it's going to make your life. One-time offer number three is the one-on-one coaching, which you'll get from Aidan and Fergal. Something I recommend as well because these guys are insane and one of the best coaches out there. Toolshock reseller license. If you want to own it and then resell it and then claim 100% of the profits throughout the funnel, then you can get the one-time offer number four and then one-time offer number five, which is a done for you buyer bot system. So this is the completely automated, so it'll quickly turn your traffic and leads and buy some good money in your pocket. So you're gonna get two completely done for you bot sequences, two completely done for you bonus review pages, 100% commissions on two of the top quality products, digital products, which is quite difficult to get approved. You'll get approved instantly, and then you can start promoting for making money online. So, guys, like I always tell my viewers, one-time offers are not compulsory, but we recommend always to get it so you can fast track your success to start making money, more money online faster than doing it by yourself. So you don't need it. You grab the one-time offers if you want to fast track. Otherwise, just grab the front end. Everything's in there step by step. We'll show you how to do everything that you need to do. Okay, and then my bonuses. So what I'm going to give you is bonuses. Number one is the Easy PR. It's a unique crash course. I'll show you how to get up and running with affiliate marketing. Email marketing specialist bonus number two, get access to my exclusive email marketing course. Bonus number three is broadcast marketing, a real life $4,000 case study where you'll watch a full-time teacher go from a total online newbie to generating over 4,000 in 5 days. Bonus number four is Pinnacle, how to build an email list in any niche using Facebook ads. Bonus number five, traffic problem solved, how to get unlimited free traffic and paid traffic from Facebook in any niche. That's a powerful course, guys. Bonus number six, how to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube. You want to get that if you're doing YouTube. And bonus number seven, which is snowball traffic, where you're going to learn how to build a Facebook group and start promoting offers to those members inside Facebook. Guys, these are some top bonuses which I put together for you guys. Some of them um, actually most of them is which I actually personally use how to build, especially snowball traffic. I love it. You guys want to grab it before we do anything else, and before I forget, I want to take you on the members inside on the members area. Oh yeah, one more thing. Once you grab your copy through any one of these yellow links over here, um, once you're inside your Warrior Plus dashboard, you'll see access to your purchase, the purchase you've bought. I'm sorry, the product you've bought, and then below you'll see a blue access affiliate bonus button. And once you click there, you're gonna get access to all these bonuses which I've put down there for you guys. So let's take a quick look inside the members area, what you're gonna be getting. The overview from Aidan, which is gonna basically explain everything what you guys gonna get inside there. Module number one is the DualShock overview, and you're gonna get a live demo of Aidan doing this exactly um, as you guys watch over here. I'm gonna do a live demo for you guys. Then module number two is building a buyer audience. Sorry guys, I can't click actually on this thing because I'm not too sure what links and what's showing in here. But once you get inside, you're gonna be finding um, the exact same system here. Then you're gonna be getting module number also how to drive free buyer traffic to your bot. In module number three, you're going to get the dual shock case study number one, finding an offer to promote, how to create an off high value bonus for your promotion, how to structure your bonus, preparing for promotion, mailing your promotion, dual shock case study results, all powerful stuff in here. Module number four, you're going to get the finalize case study as well, and some other case studies which have been done. And obviously, you will find the upgrades below, and then obviously the exclusive bonuses which they've shown you guys on the bonus page of the bonuses on the sales page. So guys, as you can see inside the members area, everything is there. You're going to be learning step by step. You're going to want to get this. This is some powerful stuff, especially if you're on Facebook and you want to use Facebook marketing, use messenger bots. You're going to drive tons of traffic. People are going to be clicking on your links and you're going to be making sales. So I hope to check you guys on one of my next reviews, where I'm going to prepare again some insane bonuses to get Dual Shock buyer traffic. Click the link down below. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you guys can be notified when I put up new videos. And hope you guys all the best and success with your new product and making money online.